Guys, so we are at the Dasaita booth again. We're going to be talking about the board and what kind of makes it run. If you take a punch in, there's so much going on. You get the capacitors, the sound bunch, all that stuff. I don't know too much about that, but let me just go over what the board is. This one has the built-in DSP, which is awesome. We have the Bluetooth module right here. The Bluetooth is it's pretty good. It's not the best from what I can hear, but it sounds pretty good. This is your audio chip, I believe, the 77080S, 78050. There's a bunch of kinds. This is where the audio happens, from what I know. All these MOSFETs and stuff like that. Now we have the processor, or the SoC, system on chip, and this is the PX5. So let's say if you move down later on and you want to check out a faster processor, well, this is a PX5, which is a quad-core, octa-core chip, and you just snap it on like a Lego, and then boom, now you have all that jazz, which is awesome. But let me show you something a little bit cool. And this one right here, this is for the, I believe, a Golf. You can check it right there.
Rock solid.
This has the new PX6 chip, and it has an HDMI, which is awesome.
I never had it.
And yeah, the HDMI goes right here, and you can see it has a little HDMI out, which is so cool. If you want to have like monitors going to the back, you have that cover right there. And just held in PX6. So the PX6 is going to have the HDMI out, which is awesome. Now another thing I want to show you is, even though this kind of hold this, it doesn't get that hot, even though the chip is very efficient. Like, I can touch it. It is hot, like it's warm, it's hot, but it's not like burning my skin, because it's very efficient. Awesome. So you got the HDMI, and this was for the Volkswagen Golf.
That's more of an intensive use case.
And you can check out that right there. Very nice trim. I really like the finish they have right here. It's very glossy, but you know, piano black is pretty go-to nowadays. Even though sometimes I prefer the matte, like right here, nice and matte. They have certain different finishes. You get the matte texture. They do a really good job with the gloss texture right here. Look at this Honda Civic. They have the Honda Civic has more of this like dark metallic silver. You have it right here too, which is awesome. So they have it in different finishes, which is really cool. Look at the Camry for the 2012. Hey, doesn't your mom have this? Your dad. So they have a Camry, and you have this nice chrome piece right here. Camry's a really top-selling car, so I guess this kind of more like, it's a nice finish that makes it so more integrated to the interior of the car. So they even have chrome. Here's a silver piece right here. This is for the newer Camrys. So you can kind of see the design language going on. We got RAV4 and stuff like that, so very, very cool. Anyways, that kind of concludes it. I was showing you the processors and the finishers. I mean, look at that. It's where the magic happens. I don't know too much. I'm not a sound engineer, but I'm just glad they're upping the game.